In this video, we're going to cover how to edit your community using the main Communities Edit page. As we've seen in previous videos, as a new community moderator, you will log in with the same credentials you've always used. You will land on the same landing page you've always seen, and the main navigation will appear the same. You will access the admin area from the admin panel link under your profile drop-down menu. You will land on the All Courses Index page, which is where you can download your course reports by clicking on the Show button for any course for which you would like to see a report. You access the Communities Index page from the My Resources drop-down menu by clicking on the Communities link. You will see your Communities Index page, and we've covered in a previous video what you can do on this page. To edit what is inside your community, click on the Edit button, and this will load the main Communities admin page. The first thing you'll see on the left is your community title, which you can edit, the description of your community, and your community logo, which you can edit. You will see the names of all of the moderators. If you'd like to add any moderators or remove any moderators from your community, you'll have to contact your AMI program manager to help you with that. The number one thing you'll be doing inside your community is adding and editing community course periods. To edit the times and dates of any community course period that is existing, you can see the list of community course periods. These are all of the course periods that are currently available for users in your community. If any of the dates have ended, you can delete those course periods or remove them from your community panel. You can also change the dates to reopen the courses or open them again. If you'd like to have a separate report for all of the users, make sure you delete that course period and add a new one. So what we can see here is that we had a course period for building a great team. We can see that that course period has ended. We can delete that course, and we can add a new one by clicking on the Add Existing Course. We can select from a list of all of AMI's public courses available to us and any of the community courses that have been created for us inside our community. No other community moderator will see our courses in their drop-down list. They will only see the public courses and their own private community courses. I'd like to create a course period for Marketing 101. I will select that. I will select the date I would like the course to be open in my community, when I would like the course end date to be, and when I would like enrollment to end. A good principle is to have the enrollment ends date at least a few weeks before the course end date so that any late registrants will have time to complete the course. As we've seen in previous videos, all of these course periods will be available for report downloads from the Courses Index page. Make sure you save any changes by clicking the Save button. You can go back to the Communities Index page using the Back button or by reselecting it from your drop-down menu. If you move down the page, you will also see all of the community toolkits and the community tools that you have created or that have been created for you in your community. A toolkit is a comprehensive set of resources or tools that AMI has created or that you as a community moderator have created for your users. We like to think of a toolkit as a book of tools or a book of resources. You can create chapters for that book or sections of different types of tools. If we take an example for business planning, AMI has created a toolkit with an introduction to business planning, explaining what a business plan might be and what the business planning process includes, and subsections or chapters, including different sections like an executive summary, a team page, financial modeling, marketing plan, etc. And within each of those sections, you'll find tools, templates, links to articles to help users understand the business planning process. From your main community page, you can add a new toolkit, giving it a title and a detailed description that would explain to users what you might find inside. And you can add a tool. You want to give your tool a title and a description. You can add a URL or any type of file you choose. You can keep adding tools until you've completed. If you make a mistake, you can delete any tool, or you can delete an entire toolkit. Please make sure that you'd like to delete the toolkit before you do so, otherwise we'll have to recover that for you. You will see any tools and toolkits created by you. What you won't see in this menu are the AMI toolkits that you've added to your community. We will cover those in the toolkit video. You can also add tools individually. These tools will not be part of a toolkit, but will be loose tools in your community that users can browse or search for using the tool drop-down menu on the main community page. You want to give your tool a title and a description, and you can upload any type of file. If you continue down the page, finally you will see a list of all of your community users. As a community moderator, you will not be able to add more users to your community, but AMI would be happy to help you with this. Again, if you make any changes, please make sure you save them before exiting. And those are all of the core functions within your community edit page. The next videos will cover how to edit the toolkits that you've created, as well as finding and adding AMI toolkits and AMI tools. We'll also look at your main community page and what you can do as a community moderator on that page.